Jeffrey Howells carpet cleaning here. I've got our electric sprayer here, and I also have our CRB back here. So what I'm going to do is a little bit of a live demo at how this effective the CRB can be with the agitation and helping you with the cleaning process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our pre-spray and I'm going to apply it pretty liberally down here on these spots, because this is an area of concern that is definitely going to benefit from having plenty of our cleaning supply or cleaning liquid down there on the carpeting. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, I've got our CRV fired up, I'm just going to take it over this area here pretty gently. I'll probably go across these spots in multiple directions just to make sure that they all got working very good. This is soot, so there's a chance that our cleaning solution is not going to emulsify all of it, but it will rinse out with a hot water extraction. So I'm just going to continue to go over this. As you can see, there is some hair that is lifting up out of the carpeting. As we go over it back and forth with the CRB, you can see that these spots are indeed lifting out of the carpet. So that is the magic of the CRB. And there you have it. We went over it in a few different directions just to make sure that we could hit every angle with the brushes of the CRB, and it looks absolutely beautiful down there. So by the time that we go to extract, everything that was down there is going to be lifted out of the carpeting. All the residue, all the ash, any dirt, anything of that nature is just going to be lifted right on out.